You. You start to stream it or no? Kelly. Yo.
Hello. Okay, there we go. We are good. Okay, sounds good. Lo-fi Discord. Let's put this up. Okay, chat. So what we got here? Back down, huh?
Forget you're washing metals a lot.
Yeah. I mean, you had a good run for NQ today. Other than that, the
NQ was pretty solid. Today was pretty good AM-wise. Yep.
I'm basically on stream. I'm gonna watch both, kind of separately. So like, I have like more options if one asset doesn't do good.
Yep. Lanto echoing? Am I?
Double Lanso.
Test. Oh yeah, I am echoing. I'm double layered.
Okay, maybe I'm gonna try to fix it. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm definitely.
How do I fix that? Where is my tech guy? That's me. I gotta figure this out. Audio. Wait, what if I just... Alright, say something now?
Test. Yo.
Let's see if chat can still hear. Let me know if you guys can hear him. Someone said, dude, what is wrong with you? You've been unstoppable since you in Puerto Rico. That's the difference. You joined Puerto Rico, things change. Okay, I think it's good now.
Yep.
Okay, let me look at the higher time frame. What do you think on NQ and ES right now?
right. I don't know. We'll see. Kind of just like kind of watching. I like the AM move, but we've kind of just been slow since kind of on IQ. Just kind of trading in range. I like the push off the open. It was really displacive. Like all I essentially did was end up shorting the first retrace we got into liquidity being Asia lows, and then a bit lower below that our New York lows yesterday. Yeah, Chad, is there still an echo?
I think I don't know if it's your mic because I'm hearing it just from Discord, and there's like a tiny echo, but I'm not sure how Chad is hearing it.
Yeah, it's good now. It's good now. Yeah. I actually had like a neutral bias, slightly bullish off the open, and then we had seen us could sell. Once we kind of drew past London, I liked Asia, so kind of the open was just dump. It was just hard dump.
Yeah. Like, I want to see if we want to move up for PM for NQ. Let's see. I don't think I traded NQ all week today. Maybe I did one time. I'm a noob right now.
I like the initial push that we got off the low AM wise, so I wasn't like opposed to like a PM reversal. I would prefer honestly lower now, to be honest.
It's Friday and we have Martin Luther King on.
Yep.
Lay's still
Who's
bad.
excited for playoff football this weekend? Yeah.
Martin Luther King delay here.
Yep.
Lay's still bad.
Excited for.
Damn, I thought I fixed the delay.
Yeah, why is it? Yeah, I seen that yesterday a little bit.
It's delayed by
20 seconds.
No, wait, it's catching up. It's catching up. If you guys fast forward, I think that's the issue. Like I can see right now on my screen, it's actually catching up. It's initially 20 seconds, but then if you fast forward, it goes like about 5 to 10 seconds. So I can see both of mine here. Second charts. This is like getting closer now. Now it's like almost 6 seconds, 7 seconds apart. So make sure you guys fast forward. I think that's the only thing right now. What's the plan for the weekend? I have no idea. What do you got planned? Win PR, I don't even know what we're gonna do. It's a 3-day weekend if you want to trade Monday.
Yeah. Probably gym and then that's it. I don't know.
We need to find a chef.
Yeah. We need that chef coming in.
We got a TV. We got couches now. We got a lot of things decked out now. Yep. Someone said mine started at 24 seconds behind. Same thing for me. It was like 22 seconds. You fast forward like 1.25 speed, 1.5 speed, and like in a minute it'll go up to like less than 5 or like 5-10 seconds. That's what I just tested. But I'm not sure if there's another setting that I could do to change that. I thought it would have been fixed already. I just consolidated right now. Guys, I could do something a little fun right now. I forgot I reached payout criteria for Lucid and Tradeify yesterday, and I didn't request the payout yesterday. So if they both have like instant payout, what do you guys think would get paid out faster? I think this is 2,500. This is 3,500. I'm gonna try both. Wait, that's not the wrong one. Lucid is pretty fast with it too.
Up and down.
It's not something
Pretty choppy.
I'm watching right now. That's good. Looking back.
Yeah, chat. Ryan's been on the metals heavily.
Metals, baby. I'm gonna put you on too, boy. What is Lucid Black? I've discussed the plan with them with Lucid. It's pretty good. I think with the Lucid Flex coming out, Lucid Black, Lucid Flex, everyone's just going for the Flex. It's much cheaper, and you get payouts, just as easy. But then the new revamp is gonna be really good. So we're working out for you, Brian. Why the heavy interest in now? It's just volatility. I think what I explained. Like, sometimes like crypto, like Bitcoin would go crazy. I don't know how Bitcoin would trade because there's like years of volatility. But silver, there's only like, 60 days worth of strong volatility. And if you look at the last 30, it's like insane. So I feel like it's new to everyone. So it means it's tradable. So let's see. Yeah, since December, it was at $7, now it's at 90. That was like the biggest move. Count November too, end of November. Is it improvement? I think it's preference. So the Flex is cheap. The Lucid Black will be a premium.
Up a little bit. Very nice. Just want to see some volatility kick in here. Preferably.
Pumping, yeah. I think we can get up to 800 fill the 15-minute, but I want to see how I can get longs here.
Shall we, Dylan? Shit.
Huh.
Everyone, how was the day? The day was good for me. I think today, for me specifically, was my favorable. Like, it was my favorite day of the week to trade. Price is actually pretty good because I saw a lot of follow through. The whole week's been kind of tough. I've had so many trades this week where I enter in the money a lot, then just kind of tease TP before hitting. But today was kind of just like immense follow through. Like, we opened, sold, retraced, shorted, 5-minute gap, tap, boop, Asia lows, then below that.
Yeah, you know how I know it was a good day for you? When the Best Buy people came, I just heard, "Let's fucking go!" from across the room.
Oh, you did? Oh,
yeah. I'm pretty sure they were here too. They're like, "Oh shit, something's good. He's happy. He's jumping."
Yep.
I opened chart. I'm like, "Damn, it looked like you shorted."
Yes, sir.
Where is this? Let me set up everything. Nothing's really moving, even in silver. It's just flat right now. NQ is pumping though. I want to see maybe we can join in on that. I do think we can go higher.
Yeah, ideally. We'll see. I just don't want to see price kind of just be up and down in this range. And you thrive off. You do really good on ranges. For me, it's just like, eh.
Yeah, I need to see something though. What'd you take today, Brian? I took 2 silver longs. Yesterday I took 2 silver shorts and they both hit pretty well. You guys can look at the alerts. That's pumping now. NQ's really pushing here. Like, the only thing I could say is like maybe hindsight analysis on this could have worked, but it's we got the 5-minute OB here. Case delivery. Happened really fast, yeah. Can music be lower? Yeah, I can reduce it lower.
Actually, I like a flip back higher if we just get the opportunity.
Do you trade the silver the same way you trade ESNQ? I think mostly for the most part, but it's like you can't really have precise entries with silver or metals, at least for silver. You just gotta like, you know, have an area, like a buy zone area and a sell zone. this is, I don't play silver in this chop here. For me, this is where I'll point out exactly where we longed. I'm pretty sure we longed on this drop here, right here. No, wait, where is it? 840? I don't even know the time. No, okay, I think we longed here. We got a big pump. And then we longed again down here. We got a nice bump. Or no, yeah, that's right. But yeah, yesterday I was like, I didn't take anything on stream. I was waiting for something for the longest time. I'm pretty sure it was yesterday, Thursday. Yeah, it was this. Exactly this. I was waiting for this 5-minute flip. And then once it closed, I was like, if we flip this, we're gonna short this to these lows. And then if I pull the Discord, that's exactly what happened. So I wonder if the same thing's gonna happen. Pretty sure here. Yeah, it was this 5-minute flip, and then you can see once the 5-minute flip here, immediate dump, just following the momentum there. I do like NQ longs though. NQ or ES.
NQ has to move, bro.
Are you already in something?
No. I like upside. We just have to move. We can't be stuck in range here. Preferably higher still.
Well, NQ shorts, the only way I can look at NQ shorts is if we pop like basically 800 and reject it there. How come you long without confirmation, like a change delivery or inversion? Maybe in the lower time frame there was, if we're talking about silver, but it's more about like area of interest for me. So once we broke 87.5, that's where I said look for longs down here. And then right after that, if we break 87s, 86, you look for longs there too. So you could have found something. I think I alerted right here once we got a closure back up. But metals aren't as easy as NQES, or not the exact same. I think we go up from here, and if you guys like shorts, if we reject from here, then we'll send it back down. Silver slow too. Yeah, we have a 15-minute FEG and an hourly FEG, kind of like basically around 800 NQ. That's what I'm gonna try to target if we're looking at longs. Okay, chat. I just made sure Lucid is I got my bank details in. Gonna request same time here. See who's fast. I did Lucid a little bit early, so like 10 seconds. Whoever pays me out first, I'm gonna bless them. And one more for Lucid, I think. Alright, there we go. All requested. Gonna refresh. Still pending, okay. Tradeify, gotta refresh. And check my emails. Let's see who wins. Still pending. Both still pending right now. I was expecting like a minute.
Was I muted this whole time?
I think you're muted. I thought you were gone or something.
Wait. How long was I muted for?
Like 5 minutes?
Wait, did you hear me mention when I talked about 750s or no?
No.
Oh my god, there's no way I was talking this whole time. But like I was saying, I prefer upside here. Now that we're kind of building a better structure, I want to see price trade above the 750s, and then I could look to jump along. We're just really slow here.
Yeah, I want to see 800s on NQ too. Get longs.
Yeah, I'd be preferred. Look like a PM reversal here. That'd be really nice. Just gotta pick up in price.
Oh, I think silver's moving too. See, it's almost at 89s. Big pump there.
Hopefully we pick up soon enough. Chatzes.
Damn. What happened to these guys paying out in like minutes?
Who? What firm?
I requested TradeFi and Lucid at the same time. Every time I request, it takes like, you know, a minute. It's been like 3, both still pending. Both still pending. Yeah, we're not gonna get it. We're not gonna get it in time.
Music's too loud. People are saying the music's loud.
How is it loud? I might just...
That's a saying. No, not yet. I like longs if you drop higher first. We gotta like break this consolidation range for me to really like upside.
Lower music. Can you see it now? I turned it at like 90% down. Broke 89s on silver. Could see if we can jab longs up to 90s. Same with NQ.
I'm on that 9:55 a.m. 5-minute gap. Go invert off that. I might jab that. I want to see us break out of this range. It'd be like a 5-minute breaking structure with a 5-minute invert. Glide up higher. That's kind of what I'm thinking here. I'm thinking like if we continue to make these higher lows here and continue to build back up, I think a push over that 750 internal high. You can see like a break of that structure on the 5, then go invert off that 5-minute gap as well. So it's like I need more displays. I need more upside to take an upside trade, if that makes sense. That's what I'm looking for here. the beaches of Puerto Rico. We haven't been. We were here.
Yeah.
We went to one. No, we were only at one because we went out to eat and we were waiting for the Uber. So we're like, yeah, let's just go there. But yeah, we haven't been to any beach yet. We've just been locked, chat. We've just been like, bro. First 2 weeks, we've just either shopped, went out and shopped, or just like worked.
Silver's pumping too, damn.
Dude, NQ's fucking like shit in the bed. It's not
Moving.
moving. When did trading go from I hope to I know? That's kind of hard. For me, it was kind of like a build-up. It was like multiple occasions of like realization that okay, yeah, this could be possible, right? It wasn't just like an aha moment. It was just like it was a build-up. Things started slowly clicking, and over time, it just like it naturally just became a thing where you're like, yeah, this. It goes from like unbearable because you're red every day to losing less to being break even to slowly, when you start making money a little bit, and then you start scaling up, blah, blah, blah. It's just it's over time process. You just got to take it day by day, and you'll have like that realization multiple times throughout the process. It's not like just a one-time moment where it's like, oh yeah, everything clicked. It was never like that for me.
Damn, it's just pumping right now.
Silver?
Yeah, it is. NQ's is like it's flat, but I'm not in anything yet.
NQ likes men.
What?
Nah.
It would have been great if I tagged in.
Want to see NQ make a move here, chat? Patriots or Bills this Sunday? Brian, who are you going for? Patriots or Bills?
I'll say Patriots because I don't really know shit. I would say if Tom Brady was
love
still
Drake
there.
May. I love Drake May, but I'm gonna have to go with my Bills because Josh Allen's my favorite QB in the league. And I've wanted him to win it so long. So I think like this year should be the year for him. If he doesn't win it this year, chat, like he's not gonna win any year.
I think NQ could do something. Just taking a while. I'll still probably focus on longs right now.
They're not even playing each other? They do play each other though the next round if they both win, right? So damn. Imagine the AFC championship game is like a divisional game. Damn.
Do y'all sleep in the same bed? We have the same bed.
We have the same brand bed. Yeah, we have the same
we have the
bed.
same bed.
Yo, chill. You're weird.
Look at that pump and silver. How do I join off of that? Should have joined earlier. I guess we got the 5-minute flip. Even if I don't take anything, I'm just like trying to tape read it.
I'm about to get off. This is horrible on NQ.
Is micro silver 1/10 of a E-mini? I think someone had all the information, and I pinned it here. Let me just pull it up. If you guys want more info. So if you're trading silver, this is why my reference, think of it as like 3 to 4 NQ contracts. Silver, SI, silver micros, SIL, silver minis, QI. And there's a difference, 5K per contract for every dollar moves on standard silver. E-mini silver is 2,500 per point or dollar. And micro silver is 1,000. So I'm trading SI, it's a fifth of it. But if you're trading QI, which is a mini micro, it's like what, 2.5? These are the prop firms that you trade with it. SI, Lucid, FunNext, TPT, TradeFi, Alpha, Trade, basically everything. Silver micro, on the other hand, is a little bit less.
Chop, chop, chop.
Guys, you guys want to know a fact? Why silver could be just like topping out? It's when it hits my mom radar. She called me last night to tell her, ask me to buy silver on her Robinhood. And she gets things so late.
Yeah, it is crazy.
And she told me to buy when it's like, last night it was like 92s, maybe 91.5. The next day she would have lost like 5% already. That's the signal I should have just shorted right there. Dude, NQ's not doing anything. I think an entry model on NQ makes more sense. Silver is already pumping. I'm not gonna chase it up here. Poker table, we're talking about it at a table 2 Sundays ago. That's a while ago then. Did you guys tell her no?
Do something here? Yeah, what?
I said I'll buy it for her, but I didn't yet. I said I'll wait for a good dip.
Dude, this is horrible on NQ. Yeah, what do y'all think? NQ, ES.
She's fire.
Chop, chop, chop.
I'm still pending on TradeFi, still pending on Lucid. This is crazy. This is the longest I've waited for both of them. What's a trade that still bothers you to this day? I don't know. You got anything, Lanto?
No. Not really.
I feel like I forget.
Shit stings
after
for a little while.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you have a really like annoying trade, it'll sting for a little bit, but it's your job to kind of like just like reflect on it and just get past it.
It'll last at most kind of like a week. I'm like, damn it, I paper handed this shit. And I'm like thinking about it, maybe a few days, maybe a week, and then, new week,
Kind of
forget about it. Yeah. You spoiled the 1 minute Lucid payout. It's not even a minute, it's like 30 seconds. Every time I requested it with them, it's been done like in 10, 20 seconds. I thought it was automatic. Should I just hit them up and be like, you know, what's the deal? You guys promised me 1 minute approvals. It's been 10 minutes.
Mm. This is very, very slow.
Don't worry, buddy. You already got that short from this morning. How much you up today now? All that short.
I don't know. Price stop being weird.
I mean, I'm the same way because I'm up good on silver today. So in that aspect, in that perspective, like, if nothing comes, it's whatever. I'm already chilling.
This boy was slamming.
Actually, I sized yesterday. I was actually sized up. I did big numbers on it. Today I'm like, you know, let me just take a chill. Let me size down a little bit. Still made 58,000. If I did regular size, that would have been like huge.
JJ. That boy cooking.
Win a house tour. I'll do a room tour. House tour gotta wait. You gotta wait.
Yeah, house tour. We're not fully like furnished
Dude,
yet.
we got like everything in boxes. I mean, we got like just some furniture, but everything's piecing together. It's been what, 2 weeks? 2 weeks since we moved in.
Yeah. Damn, it's already been 2 weeks.
It's not been that long, to be honest. I feel like that 2 weeks we had lots of difficulties with getting settled in.
Oh yeah, so much inconvenience. Oh my god. That shit was actually, it was so annoying.
You guys want to see the $5 million crib that we got? No. People actually believe, I mean, I'm not even sure if you guys could believe that or not. We're not doing that. But they're like, oh, show us that $5 million crib. Like, you know, some prop CEOs or whatever talking to me. They're like, yo, you actually got a nice crib there? Where are you at? Let me pop by. It's like, no, the crib's not that nice.
Nah, it's like more than 3.
TJR. TJR got exposed for buying the Bugatti, right? And then he returned it or leased it, something like that. You still think you ain't staying in PR? How does it feel there now? No, I feel great. I think all I need is probably a chef, a private chef that completes it for me, and then, you know, just work, grind, eat. We're on gym schedule. Should we do the fitness challenge? What's that? 60 days or 90 days?
No, we're gonna the whole year. So
the whole year. The day in life would be just me trading, me eating food, me doing work, and then hop in my Tesla, drive to the gym. That's like 5 minutes. It drives for me. You guys, half of you guys clown me for buying the Tesla, but like, it's actually a game changer. I think Lanto's you're gonna cop one too, right?
Yeah. Chat. Not like 90% plus of his driving is just self-driving.
97 now. I checked it recently. We drove like almost, I think, 600 miles already. Not gonna lie, I did trade a little bit while driving. while it drove me, it just keeps on beeping. Run to the gym. Gym? You walked to the gym before, right, Lando?
Yeah.
How long is a walk? feel like it'd be like 20-minute walk.
15 minutes.
15 minute. Well, 15 minute there, 15 minute back, and then you do your like hour.
It was kind of nice though, to be honest. If you like usually do your cardio on a treadmill, you could just you take your steps in just by walking there, walking back. And I kind of like hype myself on the way there. Like you get like 15 minutes of just like, I don't know, being able to like warm up and hype yourself up. Take a good workout.
Yeah. Should race to the gym on foot. Who you got?
15 minutes? I don't know.
Chat, who you got? First one to the gym.
Well, I beat you in a race when we actually raced that one time.
we have a video of it, bro.
Yeah, and I won. Chat, I was barefoot on fucking on concrete, and he had running shoes on, and I still beat him.
We ran like 2 seconds early. He said, Desi said 3, 2, and then you started running already.
I know I timed it perfectly.
You did like who's that? Ashton, someone running speed. I saw he did the same thing. He ran like 2 seconds early.
No.
Yeah, it looks like it's dumping. I want to see it lower. Silver's getting a rejection too.
Bro, silver's not even moving.
I mean, it moved a lot.
Boy, you were talking about silver like we were moving.
No, we pumped pretty aggressively from where PM started. Like that's a whole dollar. That's 200. That's $5,000 per contract right there. If you enter it at 1 PM.
Chat, is he tripping?
Chat knows. Chat. I'm putting half the chat on silver, and then, they're gonna do good. And then the moment I have a bad alert, there's gonna be some people are gonna full port that shit.
Bro, I feel like with YouTube free chats, it's like you could have 200 green trades in a row. The moment you give a red trade, it's like, oh damn, you're a break-even trader. Oh damn, do you really know how to trade? Because it's all like recency bias. All like new traders are just straight recency bias with everything.
Your NQ is not moving. I don't know if you can even trade. At least silver is getting some action. Silver and gold.
Yeah, NQ is just unbearable to watch, pretty much. That's
damn.
FIFA tickets.
Someone said Elon will owe us for losing our GOAT, Brian. Please, Lanto, don't get taken out at the same time. He's saying the Tesla is gonna take both of those out while it's auto driving. Oh, yo. So I think when we went to the Best Buy that one day, I came back to use a car. It said 12 hours ago I ran over a nail and went to the tire shop. Guess how much it was to fix? Just replace it. Not replace it. No. Much lower.
$20?
It was $6. They spent
$6.
They spent like 25 minutes just like examining it, taking the nail out, putting a patch in, refilling the tire pressure. And I was like, I want to see if they're gonna be reliable, whatever it is, and not like hustle me because I got a new car, we're in a nice neighborhood. But he's like $6. I'm like, damn, that's it?
Yeah, it is a lot for 25 minutes of work.
Yeah, and then it's probably like a $2 or $3 kit. So like the labor is like $3.
Damn, you're tipping up 50%?
Well, that's labor cost. You have the kit that I think they said the kit costs like $2 or $3 to do.
Yeah.
It's free at Discount Tires. That's good too. I mean, I would, if they do it free, I would give them like $10 right there. But 14 days and 2 weeks in, I ran over a nail already. It was a thick ass nail. I don't even know how it got in my tire. They pulled it out. It was a large hole. Brian robs local labor man. He charged me the price. I was expecting like 50 bucks.
This PA, man.
If we took out the high here, I would actually be somewhat confident playing downside return on silver, but it's like just back and forth right now. NQ longs, I do like NQ longs. I think bare minimum we still need to jab a little bit lower maybe before we pop back up. I still think, you know, this is in play here. We have a 15-minute gap right here. Part of me thinks we're gonna wick down, come back up, close here, and then, you know, go back up from there. But yep. Right side is there in the morning. Lanto took a banger short. I took a banger silver long.
Yes,
Same time,
sir.
it was like NQ dumped, silver pumped. We were like opposite sides of different assets, and just everyone made money.
Dude, like I begged the NASDAQ makes a move here.
We said what?
I said I begged the NASDAQ makes a move here.
I don't think this is a buy in silver. I think we can go lower. These are just probably like, these are probably just low probability scalps for me. Like when I alerted these two trades here, and then yesterday, those are like pretty high probability. I'm waiting to see if there's anything like good setup wise. Silver's now turning. Should have took out that high, man. New York high here. So we get free account for marketplace art points. Such a blessing. Yep, we're gonna expand that too. Try to add a PC or something in there. Marketplace.
Jesus Christ.
We're 1 hour deep on the stream. I mean, so far silver did a round trip and Q just sat here.
Is that ES on our left chart, or is that
It's
gold?
gold,
It's gold.
silver.
Ocean metals.
Yeah, there's metals. They're correlated for sure. Just like how ES and Q is.
I'm tweaking. ES is like trading the 7,000s. Why am I keep thinking ES is like in the 4,000s.
Yeah, it kind of confused me too, because I remember ES was at like 4,000 or 5,000, like, was it a year ago maybe?
Yeah.
Nah, I can't even think of it going to 7,000 right now, but it is here. Oh, next year ES could be at like what, 10,000?
Sound crazy.
NQ is gonna be what? What's NQ right now? 25. It's gonna be like 35,000. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Usually when I'm trading silver at night or in the morning, I just set price alerts. So like if I were to do that, like I'll just set alert here, just wait for it to break down, and then just watch it. And same thing, I'm looking for short. Say I want to see it break 89s or 90s. Only would notify me. I'll be on charts watching it closely when it notifies me.
Yeah, this is pretty brutal to watch.
It is brutal. How is NQ just so flat right now? This is like 6-7 candles already on 5-minute chart. So like for the last 40 minutes, just been in a 10-point, 8-point range back and forth.
Yeah, it's been tough to watch.
What chair is most profitable for NQ trading? This chair, what do you think about your chair right now, Lanto? Maybe I should use the lean back feature.
It's fine.
I haven't utilized it as much. Imagine me leaning back, trading like this. This is not bad. Hold up. I can get used to this. Someone said, I'm coming for your TPT record, Lanto. What are you at?
That's good. Go for it.
Is that just saying out of like, you know, a goal, or you're like, you know, you're coming up already?
Probably goal, yeah.
Like imagine he's at like 500 M already. He's like, I'm coming.
Put it up. That'd actually be fire as fuck, dude. Because, you know, you obviously, I know how much it takes to be able to do that. So if anyone else could do it too, it's awesome to see. It's very hard to do.
Yeah, and then TPT makes money too on the live, especially. So it's a good thing. Are there any other props you milk them on sim? And they're like, you know, they're gonna have to change rules. They're gonna have to figure things out so people don't do it again.
Scaling up. You and Lanto are obviously doing
Yo,
right now.
we just disconnected. We disconnected for like last minute.
Huh?
OBS disconnected for the last minute. Yeah. Sorry, internet thing.
What?
The internet shut off for like a whole 60 seconds just now.
Did it?
Yeah, I just saw it say disconnected, and now it says reconnected.
Not for me.
Well, I'm not sure if the chat heard you because it cut off for me.
Are we back?
Yeah, we're good now. We're good now. Dude, they sent back too. Oh no! Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can.
It's just disconnecting again. Oh, reconnected.
The fuck? My Wi-Fi is perfect. It's not gone off at all.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, whoa! And you just pumped. Like not crazy, but like for his range so far.
Yeah. Alrighty. Good little move. We break 750s, I might look to jab that family cap go invert.
We have fiber Wi-Fi. It should be connected. I'm not sure what's connecting it right now.
Wi-Fi should be fine. I mean, the only time you should have issues with the Wi-Fi is when the power goes out.
Yeah, but it's like flickering. It just disconnected, then reconnected, disconnected, and my whole trading view froze too.
My Wi-Fi is good.
Was it like your trading view was constant the whole time?
Yeah.
It's just mine.
And my Discord chat too.
Yeah, I think
We're
we moved to the gap above, so we should be looking for longs. Did we get in that 15-minute gap below slightly? It just started really pumping here. My shit froze and then it started pumping.
And keep going.
Lumi's TV lock just announced it. What is that? How does that even work?
Hopefully we just.
Just gonna wait. I mean, I'm good with trying to long this V. Show some. What is max funded count with loser flags? It should be the same. 5. How are you utilizing gold for your silver trade? S&P? It's the same way you do NQDS. It will be like silver and gold. They both have pretty strong correlation. Let me see if I can turn on the latency. You guys are saying the latency is down too. I wouldn't know how to do that.
Chat says 752. Break that neckline. I like that for higher price. We missed the chance to long. No, I still want to see higher before I go long. Got to see some type of consistency in this price here.
Just coming back down now. ES took the turn on high into pretty weak right now.
Disgusting.
I feel like we're not even trying to go higher. We're trying to go down.
We don't pick up by like 2:30. I think I want to wrap it up, to be honest.
Hey, you're the one who said to do the stream. I was like, you know what? We took a bagger already. 3-day
I know, I
weekend,
think this is
baby.
good for the YouTube chat, but
I know.
I thought price was going to be better. I wanted to go on live because I did think PM was going to be better, just because of how good AM was.
I see. I blame someone.
But PM's been shit.
Something.
Yeah. To be honest.
I think we go lower here.
Wow, what a shit show of price.
5-minute close, we can get inversion. We can actually slam a bit through this 15-minute below. Possible.
Oh.
Damn, look at that. Holy crap.
What do you call this? A volatile chop?
That bullshit, boy.
Volatile chop?
Let's see this. First, giving smart points, how long do you get emailed code? It's usually like, 1 in the morning, 1 at night intervals.
We're starting to see some better displays for now. It's, I don't know. This is tough.
See, we get this 5-minute closure though.
Chat, this is pretty unbearable.
I don't think I'm trading. I'm gonna close out Robinhood. I might try to take some unfunded and evals. Or not evals, just funded. If I do anything, but I think I'm locking out my cash account for the week. This could work though. And he was tanking a little bit. It's the most I've seen it move in a while.
It's like 5-minute candle we've gotten since like 10:30.
Seems like we're about to go. We're selling off. $50-minute close too, that's disgusting. That's a disgusting candle for bulls. Not gonna lie.
This is a disgusting looking chart for any trader, I feel like now. But unless you trade 15-second moves, this is just
Would you still like longs? I'm not sure if I'm interested in longs
not
anymore.
really.
On NQ and ES.
For me, it's just I want to see price displace out of this range that we've been in PM, and we just haven't done that. The more like the longer we take to do that, the less I like it.
Could see this long play out on silver, but I think I would want to short NQ if we come back up.
Shall we film? island boy.
Island boy.
I don't know, it's stuck in my head.
We're not losing money, but we're burning brain power.
Yeah, good thing it's the weekend though. I mean,
Yeah.
we can do it now.
Damn. Tragic, guys. I can see this play out here, like 400s. Give it a tight stop on this. On silver, if you want to see if we can bounce here. I'm not touching this in my not my Robinhood. I'll just touch this on fundeds.
On God, what I said. So said, why does Brian look fried? On God, you've been looking fried the past couple of days.
Me?
It's pretty.
It's probably because I'm not sleeping as much.
Probably been up a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trading a lot with Asia. That's how they get you. And you're in an island the whole time. You're an island boy.
It's PR EST time. It's an hour ahead of EST. So it's right now for us it's 3:18, but East Coast obviously it's like 2:18. So.
Yeah, I should be sleeping in a little bit more, but for some reason, I think my body's so trained to just still wake up, adapt to the time already. So like, I'll wake up at what would it be, like 9 o'clock my time on my phone, and it'll be like 8 o'clock Eastern.
We just dumped. I'm an island boy.
This is a silver in play right now. For longs, if you go and just do a tight stop here, see if we can push back up. But I would short NQ. I didn't give us an opportunity. I feel like that 5-minute really big closure, 15-minute big closure, I just killed the long idea. Don't want to think about it. If we come back up, I would have liked to play it. No wick here too. Could see it draw back up to 89s here. How many guys in silver right now? Let me see this pump a little bit more. I want to see 89. If this 15-minute closes too, you'll get like a 15-minute BPR that's bearish, and you just see this slam down. Right now, I'm basically looking at short NQ, long silver. Let me check the payout status. Oh, there we go. Lucid is approved. Okay, they paid it out. Let's see Tradeify. I'll have to call Brett. Oh, they approved too. I don't even know who did it first. Oh, you know what's funny? They did it like almost at the same time. Look at this. 204 on Lucid, payout approved. Paid 206. And then Tradeify shortly after 209. This is after like 30 minutes already. So Lucid won by like 3 minutes.
How we feeling? I'm about to wrap it up here. This is just.
Bro, just join the silver long with me, bro. That's all you need to do.
Do probs even allow like traders to trade silver?
Yeah, they do.
You said TBT doesn't, right?
TPT, only the pro funded. I don't think they allow it. I was trying to get 2 minis in. I only got 1. I don't know why I didn't get fail the second one. Must have not done it. But I'm just looking for this pop back up. I'll be chill with that. This is like the buy area. So like you don't put limits here. I usually spread it out. So I'm gonna do 2. I'll be like 1 in the middle, 1 upper, 1 a little bit lower, average it out. Like I said, for silver, you can't like look for precise exact entry. You want to spread it out a little bit. So this is like the buy area, the 5 minute here. And then you're trying to see you push back to 89s. How do you catch the absolute bottom silver? I think we just, this is still bullish. I'm not buying on move up like this. It's too aggressive. But if we see like this gap here, this is already bullish here. Remember I said long under 89s, short above 92s. This is the between area. I'm probably just gonna move this up a little bit. Let's see. That'll be like 2,000 on if you get this. Okay, if I had 2 contracts, that would have been 4,000. But I'm good with that. I'm good with that. How do you know price won't go lower? How I know that is because I have a 3.3 stop on it. So if it did, I would have been out. And that's how you take a loss. Someone said 0.005 off entry on silver. That's 6 for 6 on silver so far, guys. Why'd you cut for profit so early? Because I'm trading on Apex, it's trailing drawdown. If it was on my live, I would let it run to at least 89s or higher. But again, I'm locking out on Robinhood today. So basically 5 minutes to next 5 minute. And let's look at NQ charts. Still, I mean, we got a big drop, but I'm not sure where you would have like got confirmation on that long. Press 1 if you like that silver trade, guys. Let's see. Probably not everyone's aware of it yet, or not everyone's used to trading silver, but pretty easy. That's my 3rd silver trade today, Lanto.
You be cooking, chat. Why is Brian cooking up silver?
Made 2K.
Is he trying to be like Lanto?
Leech.
Kidding.
Yo.
I'm kidding.
Lanto trades.
I mean, you are up more year to date than I am this year, so I think. So far.
Yeah. So far, it's only the year started like what? Like 5% so far. Like 300.
What are you at? What are you at year to date?
320, 300. Like only on cash, not on fundeds. Fundeds, I'm not sure.
Damn. In
He's
total,
like,
in total, I'm just shy of 300 too, but you're just on cash doing 300.
Yeah, boy.
Damn.
I got 2 M's on Robinhood, and now we're growing up. We're gonna go to 3 M's, and we'll take an M out, and just keep on repeating it.
Okay, just wait for good price, Brian, and then we'll see what happens. Is it a dog? I saw a dog walk by our house.
Yo,
like,
really? A stray one?
Yeah, it was a black, big ass dog.
Damn.
I just saw it walk by, like on the side of our house, by the grill.
That's weird. There's a stray. David Park said, I tried long at 88.7. Why did your play go up, but mine went down? Again, you have to, I want you to take a look at silver more and look at the charts of it. I think you're buying too high up here. For my liking, at least. You're buying, I don't know, like, if you buy here, I just got a little pop here, but I'm not expecting for a full reversal, but bare minimum, 5-minute hold onto the next one. Ideally 89, but it's not even that strong. And surprisingly, this is what I'm comfortable with. This is a scalp. The other two trades I had was like more of a swing, intraday swing. Entry here, and then just exit where I felt good about. So it's just estimating. And if I just put this, let me just put this up. Why ICT could still work is, you know, you have the midpoint of the FEG, midpoint of the FEG. For example, long here, TP'd out, exactly what I did here, give or take. Still like to play shorts on NQ. I think in 2 minutes, this 15-minute will close. And we have a nice 15-minute BPR.
It's new low day at this point.
You'll see maybe like this stop here. We could actually, yeah, go for a low day. This could be interesting. There's like a 20-second lag. I'm still working on it. I thought I fixed it. I went to settings. I saw the 20-second. I changed it to 1 second. And it's still like this. Yeah, it's at 1 second stream delay right now. Because I can't do it at 0. It won't let me. So like, okay, let's do 1 second. What does the purple and green boxes mean? This is separating the session. So blue is Asia. I don't know if this is orange or pink. I'm kind of something mixed between. Is London. Green is New York. Purple is PM. I'm color coding it for myself, so it's easy for me to like separate the sessions. So that way I could see this is PM right now. Ideally, I would have been pretty nicely short if we took out the green box high, which is the New York high, and then start flipping down. I'll try to drag it all the way down here. What's your average time to join a day? This week, dude, I don't even know how much you on Lanto, but this week has been, since I've been so glued on silver, has been unhealthy, more than I should have. But I'm probably gonna go back to like, maybe like 4 hours a day.
You've also just been slamming size too, haven't you?
Slamming on some days,
But
and then other days I'm just like shy with it. But for some reason, when I'm like sizing down, that's like where I'm hitting like good spots. So, yeah, it's just balance out more.
yeah.
That's the funniest thing. I texted you. I was like, by the way, I'm heavy short on silver right now. It's like, it was like a 91, 92. So like, if we break 90s, I'm gonna be up big. And you're like, chill. And then like 10 minutes later, it just started dumping like crazy. And that was like, that kind of let out a lot of stress out of myself. Because I was like, in more than I should have. But it felt good with the trade setup. So 15-minute gap here on NQ. I probably would take a jab here. I need to set it up. I don't think I have my copy trader on NQ yet. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, I think silver's gonna pump too. Look at that. That would have been a... Could have re-tapped me in though. For those who's about to hold silver, you're gonna see 89 soon. Could I ask for advice on how not to tilt over trade for more profit? I think it's something, what do you say a lot, Lanto, is like just not even looking at the dollar amount.
In terms of tilting?
Yeah, that would help a lot. I mean, that's not something I'm trying to work on too, because like, even for me, I TP early when I see a lot of money. Same thing with the loss, I might, not react properly when it's a big size.
Yeah, I'd say like for me, what I've installed is just if I ever go over to intraday, I'll just call it, and then I also, in terms of like just profit wise, just trailer stops for me whenever it comes to like, because sometimes you could. Here's the thing: when I enter a trade, like when it comes to trailing, if I ever have my stops a bit too wide, like my trail stops, it can definitely sting a little bit because you're like, yeah, we did this, and then we realized this. So what I would say is like if you have trouble with just the P&L aspect, first of all, try to detach as much as you can, and then secondly, just be fixated on like just following your system. It's really a day-to-day approach, and when you like simplify your mindset, that's what really helps. Yeah, with trailing, I think just keeping tighter trailed stops in place would really help in terms of just losing as well. For me, it's just like, for me personally, if I ever have 2 trades in a row in a day go wrong or hit stop loss, that just means I'm typically off that day, and it's normal to have off days, right? Everyone has off days, so yeah, that's mainly it.
Yeah. Silver long is idea. Short NQ is not idea. Short NQ in this 15-minute gap.
Yeah.
Thanks, Brian, for the silver trade. Half past these TBT. Wait, how are you trading silver in TBT? Why can I do that? Is it just because someone said it was Pro Plus? I can't trade live funded on silver, but you can do on eval and sim funded. I'm not sure if that's the case or not. This trade was like kind of like a 0.3 stop. If you get 89s, I'll be like, you say 2R already, right? Yeah, like 1.8. And then if we get to this high, 3.5. Did you add delay? I did not add delay. Just like a new setup. And I'm trying to figure out how to turn off the delay. I don't know if it's a Puerto Rico thing. But if you fast forward and just wait like a few minutes, it's gonna reduce the delay to like 5 seconds. That's why I tested already. There's 89 there. Would help for a little bit more, but usually I would take 1 off and hold the rest, but I only had 2 in. How do you change latency on YouTube? I literally can't find that. I don't know why. YouTube Studios. I mean, I'll try to open it. Which settings? This is fair play for me. It's like a bigger stop. I can see this floor down. Can't do it midstream. Okay, do it. I'll do it next time.
Pew, 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 pew.
Yo, did anyone get a tag in on NQ? I did not get it. I put so many limits in, I don't know how I missed it. It's just a small entry box. Still waiting. You can't trade silver on Pro. I think it's Pro Plus, like live funded. I don't think they allow you to trade silver at all. There always be too margin for their live. It's coming back up. Gonna give it a shot. Basically like 710s. 75, 710s.
Yeah, I wish TM was good. Would like to take a trade on live stream.
Silver, I wonder if it's gonna pump here. Looks like it's trying to. Okay, I am in this NQ right now. Let's see how that goes. That's how my stop set too. Got a nice wick here. See if we get a nice rejection. We have a 15-minute BPR. I think we already showed a lot of signs for lower. We did a SFT at the highs. I want to see this turn, but you know it's like close to power right now. So I'll just give it a jab and see what happens. But for all I know, this could just rip all the way back up and did what it should have done at PM start.
Yeah, agreed. This is range bound here.
We have 20 minutes till 3 p.m. Eastern. Just steadily going up right now. Using this trade on NQ, yeah, it's a little bit above me right now. I have it like around 709, 710. Maybe a little bit higher, but just average in. This is the stop still. It's pushing, it's pushing. 3 more minutes too, and then we'll get the next 15-minute closure. Doesn't look like it's gonna turn here.
Yeah, it's up and down the range.
It says someone said 9 out of 9 today, and he was not hard today. 9 out of 9 is kind of crazy. I already feel kind of hot when I'm on the silver streak. The past week. Going back down here. Just gonna wait this play out. There's not much I can really commentate. Well, we get this 50-minute closure. I mean, that closure wicked up, closed back under. It's a pretty good signature there. Going back in the green area.
I think I want to close out here personally. I want to call it a day.
Okay.
And just chill. Yep. Nice talking to you, chat. I would have loved to price a little bit better so you could take a trade, but it just seems it's not. More so content with where it's at. So I would talk to y'all, chatters. See y'all next Friday. Stay safe and peace out.
All right, bro. See you. I'll let this pan out a little bit more. Silver's still running. I'm not in this silver anymore. I already showed my execution of that. Wait, what? Why is that a copy trading rate? Oh, okay. I see what happened. Not copying. Yeah, feel free to ask me anything. I think silver can get another big spike here, and maybe we're gonna sell off for power, but just kind of playing back towards playing like the lows, highs. That's pretty much it today. So I'm basically focused on long silver, short NQ. NQ so far is still fair game. This is what I have, just 2 contracts in. It's in the red right now. And this is the stop I have it on. All right, there we go. But yeah, very lackluster day. We got, we might end up with a NQ loss, silver winner. And it might just like kind of equal out. Luckily though, I think the silver would regardless make more money because the vault, it's giving much more. But we'll see. Silver's still pushing. Silver's actually still pushing right now. How do you find the edges to go short and long and ping pong like this? I think that's how I do it for silver. If you look at how it's been moving lately, every dip down here under 89s has been pretty much bought up. Every push above 92s has been sold off. So you kind of like draw out the zones. I think the zones are lead already. So for me, I'm just marking like 88s, 87s, 86, and then anything above 91, 92, 93. Focus on playing the edges. And then let's say, you know, we take a short and it doesn't work out and it pushes above 93, 94. I'm not gonna short it no more. I'm just gonna, they might use the previous resistance as support and might use it as a push even higher. So I'll reevaluate. Until then, this is where I'm seeing right now. So kind of like, you know, short here. And then like, you know, this is long here, just back and forth, playing the range. I think we topped out for now. We can try to consolidate a little bit. And then we'll see if we want to do another push back up. So that's just like kind of like what I marked out for silver. And here, since we're in the area of where we should be buying, nowhere near the short. And it's also showing the 5-minute structure bullish, right? You gotta push up, reject it down here, and then held this 5-minute. If it didn't, we could have looked for a break lower, probably lower to this closer buy zone. So for gold, I'm not really focused on gold too much. I traded gold for not the first time, but I actually added into gold because of this dump. So you can see here, this is where I alerted silver on the break of 87. But on gold, this is just a dump much more aggressive right now. So I actually got a handful of longs down here. I made 10K on gold, but if I did on silver, it would have been like 40K just because it's such much more volatile. But once it went to like 80s, 90s, I just took it off right there. What strategy to use? It's very similar to, you know, how I trade NQES, just add in zones, add in kind of similar ICT, and just don't try to do pinpoint accuracy trades. So for here, for instance, don't try to like do one entry here. Once it breaks it, if you feel like this is gonna hold this 5-minute structure, just long it as it goes in. That's kind of how I'm working. This is just back and forth for me. I have 7-11s. So far, the 15-minute is still holding. So it's like right here. You guys probably have a better entry than me if you're tapping into. Is there a difference between Lucid Live from Pro versus Flex? I'm not too sure. I've been on direct funded for like the last 6-7 months. So don't ask me. Are you waiting for entry on silver? This entry is already done here. I'm just letting it play out. We actually entered this. I TP'd out in this 5-minute gap. This is the idea. How do we kept it on? There's like more of the see what happens if we held it. No fix R. I think fix R is, I don't want to say a scam, unless you're doing like, you know, an estimate. So fix R could be like, oh, I'm going to risk 1R. I'm going to try to target anywhere from 1.2R or 1R to 2R to 3R. But if you're doing like, yo, like this, I don't like this at all. Let's say I do this, I risk, you know, 0.3, 4, right? And I only put the TP based off of 2 exact R. This to me, I don't really like doing, because it could, if you're focusing on the chart, it could hit this internal high. Let's say this internal high here, 89, and then come back down, and you just miss your TP, or just because your TP is only set based off your risk. and your entry depends on how much risk you need to put too. So again, here, if your entry is right here, then you're risking more, and now you need to do more for 2R, right? So it's like up here now. So I think that is always like such a mess. Oh, I'm about to get stopped here. So this is when I was going for a big push out. This is a 15-minute play, not like a 1-minute play. 15-minute BPR. I want to see this retrace and reject lower. We had SFT already. We didn't hit up here, so that's something I should have been red flagged of. But I want to see a immediate reaction from it. We just didn't get that. What we did get was something like this: 15-minute up, wicked up, and closed back down. I can't kill that trade there. That to me shows that we're still willing to push back down. Had we wicked down here, and they came back up and closed right here, I might have just, you know, on the next tap in, just close out for a loss, for a small loss. That's what I usually do. Because the trade idea would be somewhat invalid there. Silver's still pushing. This would have been pretty nice though. Almost 3R here. And you guys seen the risk. I put this up. The risk was like, the drawdown was like so minimal. It was like nothing. So again, on the stream, I got 1 win, 1 loss. That happened twice already this week. I think I did longs on, or something on ES that I took a loss on, and then silver next trade was a winner. This time is NQ a loss, silver is a winner. So from what I can tell, the data shows that I am a money prince on silver, and I should just stop trading NQ and ES. Are you live with Lucid? I think they're gonna move me live with this payout. I just told Lucid I'm gonna take a pause until I get settled in. So I think I took it like kind of like before Christmas, so like 2 weeks I didn't trade anything. So now I'm back on. I'll probably put me alive now. Yep, I just messaged Lucid like, hey, I took 4 or 5 payouts. I think it's 4 payouts. I was like, what's the plan with me? Am I still trading sim, or are you moving me alive? They said, we move you alive. Yo, can we get his turn? I forgot, we didn't hit our stop yet. The stop should be at this high here, 33s. It just brushed above 30s. Maybe we could floor it now, if we can. That'd be awesome. Oh, we're close to power right now. Yeah, we should do a giveaway and then just wrap this shit up though. Silver's still pumped. Look how silver's going. A straight trend line right now. I should have just bought every single dip. Sometimes I look at this and tape read, I'm like, wow, this happens more than you think. Like if I'm just going to the 5-minute. I mean, you could see it here too. I'm just gonna do a lot of drawings for fun real quick. But I swear, like there was like some days where I'm just like, I could have just bought every single dip and just made a ton. Just like tapering it. Maybe it was like last week. Yeah, I think it was like in the 80s here. Like so many times where it just kept on going. No internal low gets swept. Maybe there's one more. Oh, this one. I remember this one. This was when it broke 93s. It was the most classic grind up I've ever seen. And like I was watching this the whole time. I'm like, please just take internal low so I can just long this shit. It just went from 86 all the way to 90. We broke down slightly and just immediately pumped back up. I did not have fun there. Yeah, but definitely just study. Maybe over the weekend, you have a 3-day weekend unless you're trading Monday. Maybe like 2.5-day weekend. Just try to give it a backtesting session. Look at the last 30 days. I don't think you would need to do anything more than that. Real quick here, I'm on the 4-hour chart. Basically, you should only be looking at all the data from, like, let's say, you can consider this data here, this spike up here. I want to say, like, let's just keep it right here. December 23rd, like, that's like 1 full month. This is like the most action packed you'll get. Down here, when we got grind up, you can definitely use this, but this is like more slower grind up. This is more volatile. This is what's happening right now. So you can see, like, it's like moving slowly, right? Very subtle movement, and then we just get a strong spike here. This is what it looks like. So this is previous 30 days. This is previous 60 days. You know, I just kind of scoot this back a little bit. Like, let's move this up. If you're trying to study this to apply to this, it might not work well. You should be studying this here. This is very how it is right now. And you're trying to study like what it's doing here. This is not gonna help you at all. So that's why I'm saying, like, why silver could work is because you're not trading something new. You're trading something that, or you're trading something new. You're not trading something that's old. Like, this silver had been trading for like probably 5-10 years, right? But all these are meaningless. You don't need to know any of these data because they're not gonna help you. So that's the thing. And I'm also new to silver. I've only been trading silver for like, what, a month now, right? Not even consecutively a month. This week I've been focused only on silver. And last week too, but everything else I've been like kind of back and forth with. This one closes. I'm likely going to kill this trade. Gonna take this for a small loss. It's gonna be 3 p.m. We're gonna close above. I'm not liking this no more. Close for I don't know, like $50 loss. So I made 2K on silver, lost like $100. Let's say $100. And we're still making bank. We're still making bank. That's what I like to see. Go back to 200 days max. 200 is even too much. The last 60 days is all you need. I think anything more after that could be like, the more you get away from the 60-day mark, it's gonna get more detrimental. So you're gonna be like utilizing too many data that does not help you at all. How much are the payout for Lucid to move you live? I think you get, I think it's like 3K, 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 3.5K, 3.5K. I think that's it, unless there's six payouts. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. 16, right? Is that 16? 7, 9, yeah, 16 per, 16 times 5, that's like 90,000, and then 9,000 paid before split, and then the rest gets moved to live. I think they move you like 80,000, 70,000 live. Something like that. Maybe 6, but I think they're moving me live early then, because I think I did 4 or 5 payouts. Okay, let's just do a giveaway here. Are you guys ready for this? Tell me you guys are ready, because the giveaway is always fast as hell. If you miss it, you go away for like a bathroom break, it's gonna be done already. And that's on purpose to do so you don't, you know, so it's only exclusive for the winners. So let me know if you guys are ready. Let's do two giveaways. We can pick any account: Lucid, Tradeify, Trade Day, E8, anything you want. I'm gonna do 1 minute, right? Free account, Lucid. It's gonna be 50K. But it's gonna be Lucid, Tradeify, E8, Trade Day. Might be even TPT. Let's just add TPT. Yeah, I think we have some. Make a giveaway ticket if you win. Good luck. And I enter too. We have 40 seconds left already. I'm surprised this didn't. Kind of surprised this didn't turn here. I felt like it would have been good for it to sell off here. If this interaction failed, just click it again. Maybe it's too many people are clicking it and it causes that. That's usually the case. Ooh, gold is pumping. Silver is dumping, gold is pumping. What in the world? What in the world, chat? Okay, so we have Steven T, and then we got Cooper Theo. Those are 2 winners. You get a free count. Make sure you do a giveaway ticket. Should be somewhere down here. Yeah, submit a ticket here. So click giveaway ticket and we'll process that. Congrats, congrats. Wow, look at that. The gold is gonna take silver up too. What a spike, bro. Silver's trying to move right now. NQ is still looking good though. It has not broken upside yet, so like the short game is still there. Steven again? When's the last time you won? Did he win this month? Check when he won. If he won too recent, we can rerun it. If he won like months ago, I mean that's fair game. Someone says Steven here never won it before. Guys, you gotta fact check it. You guys gotta see if it's actually the right Steven. There could be people with like multiple same name. Like my name is Brian. I've seen people people with the same name, like same Brian. Maybe not like BrianStonk, but like just because his name is Steven or Stefan, whatever it was, doesn't mean like, you know, they're all the same person. That's Steve O. So it's different people, different people. Come on, we almost gave away that guy here. Here's that dump. I don't know if you guys still in it. I just kind of closed it out because, you know, we're wrapping the stream up. Okay, chat. I think we wrap this shit up here. See you guys next time. Next time would be what? Tuesday. We're not gonna get stream on Monday. And that'll be it, guys. Yeah, see you guys next time.